Have you ever thought about transforming your spare room into a gateway to cross-cultural experiences and financial opportunity? If you're someone who thrives on the excitement of meeting new people from around the world, and if the thought of immersing yourself in the melodies of different languages and the richness of diverse cultures resonates with you, then the path of becoming a host for international students might be your next extraordinary venture. This project is not just an idea. It's a proven concept that has the potential to unlock a key business opportunity. Drawing from my past successes, I'm now exploring how to take this concept to new heights of monetization. Imagine the possibility of turning a single room into a flourishing business venture that generates a consistent monthly income ranging from $1,800 to over $2,000. It's not just about making money. It's about making a difference while reaping the rewards. As I embark on this journey, I'm eager to share my insights and collaborate with individuals who are equally passionate about embracing diversity and forging meaningful connections. Together, we can learn how to open our homes and hearts to international students, providing them with a welcoming environment that nurtures their growth while also enriching our lives in countless ways. The script I have in mind encapsulates the essence of this endeavor. If you're drawn to the joy of meeting new people, if the symphony of languages and the tapestry of cultures inspire you, then the role of a host might be your true calling. This isn't just about accommodations. It's about facilitating transformational experiences. By inviting an international student into your home, you embark on a journey of mutual discovery. If you have any question about what are the key steps to becoming a successful host for international students, feel free to ask in the comment box so we can guide you further. The Ultimate Guide to Hosting International Students. The Ultimate Guide to Hosting International Students provides a comprehensive resource for individuals and families interested in opening their homes and hearts to students from around the world. This guide covers every aspect of the hosting experience, from understanding cultural differences and communication strategies to logistical considerations and creating a welcoming environment. Readers will find invaluable tips on selecting appropriate accommodations, navigating legal and administrative requirements, and fostering a supportive atmosphere that encourages cross-cultural learning and personal growth. By delving into the finer points of hosting international students, this guide equips hosts with the knowledge and confidence to embark on this enriching journey, forging connections that span borders while contributing to global understanding and friendship. You might have this question: how do you ensure the safety and comfort of both the host family and the international student? Let us know in comment box your path to becoming a host for international students. Embarking on the journey to become a host for international students, what are some effective ways to market and attract international students to your hosting service? If you have this kind of queries, comment us and we will guide you further. Monetizing hosting for international students. In recent times, one such avenue that has gained momentum is hosting international students. What once began as a simple arrangement to make use of extra space in a household has now evolved into a thriving business concept. Homeowners are capitalizing on the influx of international students seeking accommodation, turning their spare rooms into comfortable living spaces. This trend not only addresses the accommodation needs of students, but also offers a unique cross-cultural experience. As hosts open their homes to students from diverse backgrounds, they facilitate cultural exchange and create a sense of belonging for these young learners in a foreign land. This transition from spare room to business venture not only yields financial benefits for hosts, but also enriches the educational experience for international students, fostering connections that span the globe. Could you share some insights on the potential earnings and the factors that influence the income as a host? You might be curious about the financial aspect of hosting. So comment in the video below, and we will guide you further. The art of hosting international students as a lucrative venture. The art of hosting international students has emerged as a truly lucrative venture in today's globalized world. Educational institutions and host families alike are discovering the myriad benefits of welcoming students from diverse cultures. This practice not only fosters cross-cultural exchange and understanding, but also injects vitality into local economies. The financial influx from tuition fees, accommodation charges, and increased demand for various services creates a symbiotic relationship where both hosts and students gain. As students seek high-quality education and immersive experiences, host institutions and families have the opportunity to provide a supportive and enriching environment, reaping both financial rewards and the satisfaction of playing a pivotal role in shaping global citizens. How to transform a room into a monthly income stream. Transforming a room into a monthly income stream involves a strategic approach that can reap significant benefits. First, consider the room's unique features and the market demand in your area. Assess whether it's better suited for traditional renting, becoming a vacation rental, or even setting it up as a co-working space. Spruce up the room with a fresh coat of paint, modern furnishings, and essential amenities. Leverage online platforms to advertise your space effectively, highlighting its key selling points and offering competitive pricing. Providing excellent customer service and maintaining the space impeccably will garner positive reviews, leading to repeat customers and referrals. The Comprehensive Guide to Hosting International Students. The Comprehensive Guide to Hosting International Students offers a valuable resource for individuals interested in providing a welcoming and enriching experience to students from around the world. This guide not only outlines the practical aspects of hosting, such as accommodation and logistics, but also emphasizes the significance of cultural exchange and understanding. By delving into topics like effective communication, cross-cultural interactions, for those dedicated to making a positive and memorable impact on the lives of international students. The profitable journey of hosting international students. The voyage of hosting international students has proven to be a lucrative and enriching endeavor for both individuals and institutions alike. By opening our doors to students from around the world, we not only foster cross-cultural exchange, but also create a sustainable source of income. The experience goes beyond financial gains, offering a unique opportunity to learn about diverse cultures, broaden perspectives, and establish lasting global connections. As these students seek quality education and comfortable accommodations, hosts can benefit from rental income, increased cultural awareness, and the satisfaction of contributing to a student's educational journey. This mutually beneficial arrangement exemplifies the beauty of globalization and education, where the profits extend far beyond the financial realm, enriching lives and building bridges across continents.